Hey guys, you wanna know how to fix something? Look at me deep in the eyes. Okay, so all you need to do is do my code. You need to, this is what you need to do. Up, up, left, right, up. Then you enter my code. Then you gotta fall down, like this. Okay, now that you fall down, now it's time to go. I'm making a video. Okay, now what? Oh yeah, I was hanging my wrench. Come here, wrench. Okay, so first thing you want to do is do a little bit of this. Do a little bit of this. Gotta make sure your screen is okay. Now your screen is okay. Do a little bit of this. Now that you fix this, hit it more. Okay, now that you're done, get to the other side, which is I'm almost fell. So, what you want to do is now you do this. There you go. Now you fix that. Then you gotta look at the screen and poke it. Then you're good. So now that you're done, let me go hang this. Okay. Now that you're done, fall again. And then you're good. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh no! I dropped it in the sink. Frick. Okay, as I was saying, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I did.